Hi guys, welcome to accounting. Today we're going to talk about a new topic, the cost of hiring new employees. In order for a business to succeed, it must have a sufficient number of personnel to make it run properly. Finding qualified individuals to perform a business's duties is an important function. In order to gain a competitive edge in today's marketplace, a company needs to hire people who will enhance its mission. To fill openings in your business, you may recruit new employees. Recruiting is the act of soliciting qualified people to work for your company. The cost of recruiting includes advertising fees, interviewing expenses such as travel expenses, and hiring expenses such as moving expenses. The basic formula for calculating total recruiting cost is advertising expenses plus interviewing expenses, plus hiring expenses. So let's look at an example. Talbot Manufacturing Company is searching for a person to head its production department. The personnel department placed advertisements at a total cost of $6,495 and employed Empire Executive Search Company to locate candidates. Empire recommended Alice Welch, Thomas Valdez, and Cleveland Adams. Talbot paid the candidates travel expenses, transportation, lodging, and meals for the following interview cost. Alice Welch, they spent $917. Thomas Valdez, they spent $1,235. And Cleveland Adams, they spent $1,135. After the interviews, Talbot hired Cleveland Adams at an annual salary of $154,900. Talbot's also paid these expenses to hire him. They paid his moving expenses of $13,600. They paid a real estate broker's fee for the sale of his home, 6% of $240,000. And they also paid Empire's finder's fee, which was 25% of Cleveland's first-year salary. So, what was the total expense of recruiting Cleveland Adams? Let's figure that out. The cost for recruiting Cleveland Adams, the first thing will be advertising expenses. And the company spent $6,495. They also incurred interviewing expenses of a total of $3,287. Now remember, they only spent $1,135 for Cleveland, but they did incur the expenses for everyone else before they hired Cleveland. So you have to include all of the expenses for all of the candidates they interviewed. So that is $3,287. Then you have Cleveland's hiring expenses. The moving expenses of $13,600, the broker's fee of $14,400, that was to sell his house, and the finder's fee for Empire of $38,725, and that was 25% of his first year salary. So they incurred total hiring expenses of $66,725. So the total costs for recruiting Cleveland Adams added up to a total of $76,507.